this is value is 3, this is value is 5. So find out this value. So first we can take the log. So log 60 base, and this is the 60, this is a, and this we can write the log 63. And now there is the a is here, and so there is the log 60 base and 60, and this is the log 63, and this is the a, and 60 base and 60, this is the 1. So 1 into a, this is the a, and this is value is log 63. So this is the value of this, and this is similarly, so log, this is 60 base 60b, and this is the log base 60 and 5. So similarly, this is b is here, and this is the log 60 base 60, and this is the log 65, and so 60 base 60, this is the 1, so this is the b, and this is the log the 65. So we can write this, and from here this is the 1 minus a minus b. So this is the 1 is the log 60, and this is the log the 60, and this is the 3, and this is the minus, this is the log, this is the 65. And now from here this is the log, we take the log 60, this is the base is 60, and this is the 60 is above, and this is the minus, so 3, and this is the again this is the minus 5. So we can write, and there is the 15, and this is the 60, so there is the cut is 4, so there is the log 64. You can write this is value, and 1 minus b, say again the 1 is the log 60 and 60, and this is b, we can write the log the 65, we can write. And similarly we take the log 60, and this is the 60, and this is the minus, this 5 is here, and this is 5 is cut to 12, so the log 60 is 12, this is the, you can write. And now this is the 12, and this value is this, so this is the log 64, and divide the, this is the log 60 12. So we can write here the, we can write, so 60 is a cut, so 12, this is the, and this is the 2, so into this 2, this 2, and 66 is cut, so base cut, so there is the value is 1 by half, this is half of here, and this is the cutting here, so there is the base is, so log 12 4, and now this is here, so there is the log 12, and this is the 4, this is the half. And now we know the formula is a base the log power of a and b, a is base and power log base a and b, so this value is b. Similar, so there is the, this is the similar, so power log and base is similar, base and this log base is similar, so there is the 4, this is the value, this is the value, and so this is the log 4, this value is 2, so this value is the 2. So thanks for watching the video. Thank you.